Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of customization, you know how important it is to have your browser look exactly how you want it. Opera GX, the gaming browser, offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to personalizing your experience. In today's video, we'll be diving into how you can change the color theme in Opera GX. Whether you prefer a sleek, dark mode for those late-night browsing sessions, or a bright and vibrant look for daytime use, Opera GX has you covered with a range of themes. Plus, I'll show you how to create your very own custom theme by adjusting the colors to your liking. So, if you want to make your Opera GX browser truly yours, stick around and let's get started. To change the color theme in Opera GX, follow these steps. Click the GX logo or the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Under the Theme section, you'll see the option to select a preset theme. Also, you can create a custom one by adjusting the colors manually. This will immediately apply the new theme to your browser. And that's it! Now you know how to change and customize the color theme in Opera GX. I hope this helps make your browsing experience more enjoyable. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.